Oh, hello guys, welcome to Moscation. And today we're going to take a cryptocurrency class. I initially wanted to do it on Zoom, but I'm going to do a screen recording of everything we're going to teach on Zoom. And if you have any questions, you can direct it when we go to the Zoom class. So, for those of us, let's assume there are some of us who are still new to this thing, who don't understand a lot of things here. Don't worry, me myself, I started cryptocurrency on December. This is less than 4 months now, and I believe I've gotten to the extent of I've earned a lot of cash from it. I've also learned a lot of things from it. So it's nothing to worry about if you are still new to this thing. So here is a cryptocurrencies. All the cryptocurrencies we have, all of them are listed based on the market cap. That's the market capitalization. So so we have BTC, we have Ethereum, we have BNB, we have SRP, USDT, ADA, DOT. All these currencies you can buy them and then hold them to sell. So we have two types of currencies. We have the normal currencies, which is the BTC, Ethereum, and we have a stable coins like USDT. That's USDT is the dollar, so use USDT to buy other coins, like use the dollar to buy other coins. So everything revolves, a lot of things revolve around the dollar. So that's it. So and if you are into cryptocurrency, you don't just, how do you buy these cryptocurrencies? You buy them using the trading platform. That's why I asked us to verify on Binance. You get, so when you go to Binance, you verify your Binance app, and then you start trading on you start trading cryptocurrency on Binance. So the first thing we are going to talk about here, let's go to Binance, my Binance app. So this is my Binance app, and here we are. So you can see the top gainers today on Binance app, and all of them. So for those of us who have issues verifying our Binance, make just you can use, because the government, I think the government had issues with them, so they stopped using the BVN method of verification. So you have to get a valid ID card. I know getting a valid ID card right here is very difficult. So to get a valid ID card, your own personal ID card, because you might be need letter when you want to do the buying and selling and other stuff. So and then when you, after verifying, you cannot go over to other things. So there are still other things we have to talk about here. You look at these places. This is how your Binance wallet looks like, and you have deposit, you have referral, battle, margin, and there are still other platforms here you can use for trading, such as Hotbit, Probit. But for anyone who wants to, it's very easy to use Binance, even if it's difficult at first. It's very easy to use Binance, and that's it. So for those of us who haven't verified, like my own, if you check here, you can see that I'm verified. For those who haven't verified, you can verify right here, and then by uploading your ID card and doing your facial verification, and that's all for your verification.